Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Technocrat friends. I'm Vinanda Devita Amelia with student ID 244-11158. Okay, here I will explain the material about understanding law and business law. Okay, a comprehensive guide to legal foundation and commercial practice. Okay, what is law? Foundation and function. Law is a system of rules established and enforced by governmental authorities to regulate their behavior within society. It serves multiple critical functions: maintaining order, protecting individual rights, resolving disputes, and promoting social justice. Laws are created through legislative process, interpreted by courts, and administered by executive bodies. The foundation of law rests on several key principles. First, the rule of law itself, the concept that all individuals and organizations, regardless of power or status, are subject to the law. Second, law must be applied consistently and fairly. Third, legal system provide mechanisms for dispute resolution and accountability. Maintain order, establish standard for behavior, resolve disputes, provide fair remedies, promote rights, safeguard individual freedoms, promote justice, ensure equitable outcomes. Okay? Introducing business law. Its scope and importance. Business law, also known as commercial law, encompasses the legal rules governing business transactions, commercial relationships, and entrepreneurial activities. It bridges the gap between general legal principles and the practical realities of commerce, providing framework that enable business to operate safely, predictably, and ethically. The importance of business law cannot be overstated. It protects business interests, ensures fair competition, regulates consumer protection, and establishes accountability. Without business law, commercial transactions would be fraught with uncertainty and risk. Organizations must understand their legal obligation to avoid costly disputes, regulatory penalties, and reputational damage. Core areas: contract law, company law, intellectual property, employment law, consumer protection. Key benefit: risk mitigation, regulatory compliance, asset protection, dispute prevention, and ethical standards. Okay, next. Key principle of contract law. Essential foundation for business agreement. Contract law governs agreement between parties and form the backbone of commercial transaction. A valid contract requires four essential elements over acceptance, consideration, customer value exchanges, and intention to create legal relation. Understanding this principle protect business from dispute and ensure capability of agreement. Over an acceptance, one party makes a clear offer, the other accepts without modification. Any change constitute a counter over restarting negotiation. Consideration: both parties must exchange something of value, money, their regard of or promise. Without consideration, there is no binding contract. Capacity and legality. All parties must have legal capacity, each mental competence, and the contract purpose must be lawful. Contracts for illegal activity are void. And last, term and condition. Clear, specific term prevent misunderstanding. Ambiguous language can lead to dispute and litigation expense. Okay. Navigating company law, structure, and responsibility. Company law regulates the formation, governance, and dissolution of business entities, causing the correct business structure, proprietorship, partnership, limit, company, or corporation, has profound implication for liability, taxation, and government. Each structure carries district legal responsibility and protection. Number 1, sole proprietorship, individual ownership with unlimited personal liability, simple to establish but risky for substantial ventures. Number 2, partnership, shared ownership with joint liability. Partners bear personal responsibility for business debt and partner misconduct. Okay. Number 3, limited company, separate legal entity limiting shareholder liability, requires a formal registration, government and compliant obligation. And last, or number 4, corporation, large-scale entity with extensive regulation, government requirement, and potential for institutional investment. Next, intellectual property, protecting your business as asset. Intellectual property represent valuable intangible asset, innovation, brand, creative work, and business methodologies. IP protection is critical for competitive advantage and business value. Without proper protection, competitor can legally exploit your unique creation, eroding your market position and profitability. Patents protect invention and technical innovation for 20 years, granting exclusive exploitation risks. Trademarks protect brand name, logo, and distinctive marks that identify your business and product. Copyright protect original literature, address, and creative work from unique thoughts, reproduction. And last, trade secret protect confidential business information that provide competitive advantage through society. Okay, next, employment law, risks, responsibility, and best practice. Employer responsibility, pay at least minimum wage, provide safe working conditions, prevent discrimination and harassment, provide record leave entitlements, maintain accurate employment records, and last, comply with health and safety regulation. Employee rights, fair compensation, safe workplace environment, freedom for discrimination, statutory leave, holiday, and sick, unfair dismissal protection, reasonable notice period. Okay, next. Ethical consideration in business law. Beyond legal compliance to responsible practice, legal compliance is the minimum standard. Ethical business practice demands more. Companies face increasing pressure to operate responsibility, considering environmental impact, social welfare, fair labor practice, and ethical government. Ethical behavior will stakeholder trust, reduce regulatory scrutiny, and create sustainable competitive advantage. Integrity, honestly, keep promise, and maintain transparent practice in all business dealing. Accountability, accept responsibility for action, disclose material information, and address a concept promptly. Okay. Fairness, treat all stakeholders equitably, employees, customer, supplier, and competitors. Environmental responsibility, minimum environmental harm, and adopt sustainability business practice. And last, social responsibility, contribute positively to communities and address societal challenge responsibility. Okay, next. Dispute resolution, from negotiation to litigation. Negotiation for mediation, and arbitration for litigation. Okay, sorry. Negotiation, direct discussion between parties to reach mutual agreement, often successful. Preserves relationship costs minimal. And mediation, neutral third party, facilitates a discussion to help parties find common ground, non-binding but effective for settlement. Arbitration, private neutral arbitrator hears evidence and makes binding decision, faster than litigation. Confidential proceeding. Litigation, court proceeding with judge and jury, in some cases most expensive and time-consuming option, public processing and appeals. Okay, next. Your legal toolkit for business success. Key takeaway and action framework. Okay. Understand your obligation. Know relevant law in your industry and jurisdiction. Regular legal review, prevent costly compliance failures. Seek expert advice. Qualified legal professional for significant contracts, restructuring, and complex matters. Document everything, written agreement, clear policy, and accurate record, provide evidence and protection in disputes. Culture, ethical culture, build organization with commitment to integrity, fairness, and responsible practice beyond minimum complaints. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.